Cardano is most certainly one of those tasks that have mind-blowing possible beyond being a resource that gets exchanged for benefit. Based on peer-evaluated scholastic examination, Cardano has united areas of strength for throughout the long term. Its specialized establishment and the desires of its group have made ADA one of the top digital forms of money on the planet. We should investigate what the Cardano digital currency and task are about and analyze our ADA cost estimate for the next few years. The Cardano biological system runs on Ouroboros, the principal POS agreement convention that is unbelievably secure and, most importantly, is upheld by scholastic exploration. Each change to the Cardano guide is peer-explored and secured by an examination-based structure. Cardano stays an extraordinarily well-known cryptographic money in spite of having a ton of contest. At the hour of composing, it is as yet one of the main 10 digital currencies on the planet by market cap. Most Cardano value expectations are bullish on this coin. All things considered, it has every one of the signs of an effective crypto project, an extraordinary group, a steady local area, and a strong specialized establishment. There are likewise a few financial backers who became frustrated in this coin as they naturally suspect following through on its promises couldn't. Nonetheless, they appear to be a minority, and most hodlers accept that the future costs of ADA will overwhelm its past ATH. Here are some master Cardano cost expectations. Is bullish on Cardano and sees a positive pattern at the future cost of the ADA coin. The stage anticipates that the Cardano digital currency should twofold its worth in less than a year and possibly even reach $5 by 2027. Likewise bullish on ADA, they are significantly more moderate and saved in their assumptions. As indicated by this stage's Cardano, ADA, cost expectation, the advanced resource is probably not going to twofold its cost inside the following year. In the same way as other cryptographic forms of money, ADA has gone through an extensive stretch of stagnation in 2019 to 2020. Later on, notwithstanding, it flooded upwards, getting more than the $3 mark at its top in late 2021. ADA's cost activity reflects that of the remainder of the crypto market. It went to the moon during the alt season in mid-2018, shot up during the market blasts of Right on Time in late 2021, and has had a brief time of cost development in WAC 2022. Dissimilar to numerous other unmistakable coins and tokens, ADA's typical cost in 2022 turned out to be lower than its pace throughout the late spring of 2021. The bear market that followed the market blast in November 2021 has impacted Cardano more than the other top digital currencies. This could be an indication that financial backers have begun getting some distance from the coin. Its exchanging volume has likewise gone down. In any case, it actually appears to hold sufficient premium to follow anything that market blast will come straight away. Presently, we should investigate our own ADA coin cost expectation. Cardano value expectation 2022. As per the specialized examination of Cardano costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Cardano will be $0.49995. The greatest level that the ADA cost can reach is $0.53995. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $0.51995. ADA value figure for September 2022. In light of the value changes of Cardano toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical ADA pace of $0.46995 in September 2022. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $0.42996 and at $0.47995, separately. October 2022, Cardano value estimate. Cryptographic money specialists are prepared to declare their figure for the ADA cost in October 2022. The base exchanging cost may be $0.45995, while the most extreme could reach $0.49995 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Cardano may be around $0.47995. ADA value gauge for November 2022. Crypto experts have really looked at the value variances of Cardano in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal ADA rate they anticipate may be around $0.49995 in November 2022. It can drop to $0.47995 as a base. The greatest worth may be $0.51995. December 2022, Cardano value gauge. Around mid-year 2022, the ADA cost will be exchanged at $0.51995 overall. December 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the Cardano worth to $0.53995. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than $0.49995 in December 2022. Cardano Value Forecast 2023. After the examination of the costs of Cardano in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the base cost of Cardano will be around $0.75992. The greatest expected ADA cost might be around $0.87991. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $0.77992 in 2023. Cardano Value Forecast 2024. In view of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of Cardano, in 2024, ADA is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs, about $1.11989 and $1.30987, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $1.15988. Cardano Value Expectation 2025. The specialists in the field of digital currency have examined the costs of Cardano and their variances during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2025, the base ADA cost could drop to $1.66983, while its greatest can reach $1.92981. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $1.70983. Cardano Value Forecast 2026. In view of the examination of the expenses of Cardano by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and least ADA costs are normal in 2026, $2.91971 and $2.37976. Overall, it will be exchanged at $2.45975. Cardano Value Expectation 2027. Crypto specialists are continually dissecting the vacillations of Cardano. In view of their expectations, the assessed typical ADA cost will be around $3.57964. It could drop to at least $3.44966. However, it actually could reach $4.12959 all through 2027. Cardano Value Forecast 2028. Consistently, cryptographic money specialists plan